Withdrawing money from Chase Bank to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transaction efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, look for the Transfer or Payments option in the main menu. Click on it to access the transfer options available for your accounts. Step 3. Select the transfer type. Choose the option to transfer money to another bank account. You may need to select whether you are transferring to an external account or another Chase account. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and the details of the bank account you are transferring to. Ensure that the account number and routing number are correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and submit the transfer. Review the details of your transfer to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, submit the transfer request. You should receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to the designated bank account. Always check your accounts to confirm the transfer has been completed successfully.